Give this video
If you like
a
this
thumbs
video,
up.
if you like it, give this video a thumbs up.
Do you hear that? Just do what she said. Game na ako. Intro. Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel and welcome for another episode of Cat Talks, wherein we answer all of your beautiful questions. Today's video is a very special video that has super excited ako to try these fake nails that I got from Fab Nails PH. Yes. So if you want to know how to put this on and kung effective ba siya, kung didikit ba talaga siya, then please keep on watching. Upon opening the box, you will see two sets of nails, a nail file, and a nail glue. So first things first, you gotta choose the ones that would fit your nails. So in this video, you would see that I separated the nails and placed it on the table. Once you're happy with the nails that you have chosen, make sure that your nail beds are clean and dry before proceeding. Now it's time for the fun part. Get your glue and squeeze one drop of glue to the nail and spread it out evenly. Carefully stick the nail to your nail bed and press it down for 15 to 20 seconds. And voila! You have a fabulous nail. Repeat the same procedure to all of the nails. Just make sure to be really careful with that glue because it is really super sticky and you don't want your skin to get in contact with that. So, I'll just finish my other hand and I will be back. Here's the finished product! Sobrang ganda niya. I super duper love these nails, sobra, kasi I love pink and black together. They're my favorite combination in the world. Guys, super recommended this one from Fab Nails PH. Sobrang dami pa nilang other designs there that you could choose from. And each box contains two sets of nails. So like 20 pieces. Tapos, kinount ko siya kanina, mayroon pang 2 extra nails. Don't be scared to try and buy one kasi meron at merong nail na mag-fit sa'yo. And super, girl, sobrang ganda, promise. It's worth the buy. The link to Fab Nails PH will be in the description box below, so just go check it out. And that is all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below if there are any more beautiful questions that you'd like to ask. Of course, since you're already here, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens. That is all for today and see you on the next Cat Talks episode. Bye!